bottom edge here, and then we took it out into this phase here because the market maker had flipped onto the sell side, and we took it out into that phase there. But take a look at how much the market maker is in the sell side. See the size of the gap between these? The chances of the market maker getting bullish on this is almost zero, right? The chances of the market maker getting bullish in this phase is quite high. The chances of the market maker getting bullish in this phase is quite high. The chances of the market maker getting sell side here is quite high. The chances of the market maker getting sell side here was quite high. But the chances of the market maker getting buy side here is almost zero. Well, that's what we're trying to see, isn't it? That's the type of story that's going to make sense to me. As a trader, we want to sell when the blue line is above the black line. As a trader, we want to try and sell in those areas when it's pinning green, when we're getting top lines, when we're getting retests. Alternatively, if the two lines start sliding, we want to sell for the press. If the two lines are sliding, we want to sell, for example, before we get to that price. So the sell trades that we could have targeted, you can see there's no blue candles, but there is a couple of spinners just before the break there. So that's where your sell trade would have been. It was still worth $1,000. That's how good that trade was. It was still worth $1,000. And you can see the value of that little bit of information there. There was another sell trade here and here. As you can see, the black line is still falling, but it is in a pin zone. So that's not going to be the kind of trade that I would be recommending that you take, but it still went on to make a monster sell side profit. So some crazy little trades, again, just using the spectrometer to understand a little bit about what's going on in here.